You spend hours on skincare, but you look in the mirror and still feel dull. What if I told you that 5 silent habits are actually changing your facial structure and making you look ugly without you even realizing it? Number 3 is something you probably did this morning. We need to talk about something honest today. You know that feeling when you take a group selfie and everyone else looks fresh and glowing, but you just look tired? You zoom in and wonder, why does my face look like that? It's easy to blame genetics or say, I'm just not pretty. But that is rarely the truth. The reality is terrifyingly simple. Your daily habits are sculpting your face. Just like water reshapes a stone over time, the way you sit, breathe, and sleep is physically changing how you look. Today, we are going to expose the 5 ugly habits that are stealing your potential and exactly how to reverse them. Habit number 1, the breath of decay. Let's look at a common situation. Imagine a girl named Sarah. She's studying for her finals. She's focused, mouth slightly open, breathing shallowly through her mouth while she reads. She does this for 8 hours a day. Over 2 years, Sarah notices her jawline isn't as sharp. Her chin looks a bit recessed. She thinks it's just weight gain. It's not. It's mouth breathing. This is biological fact. When you breathe through your mouth, your tongue rests on the floor of your mouth. But for your face to have a sharp, attractive structure, your tongue needs to rest on the roof of your mouth. This provides internal support for your maxilla, upper jaw. When the tongue drops, the face narrows. The eyes can start to look droopy and the chin recedes. It's literally melting the structure of the face downwards. In medical terms, this can lead to adenoid face. If you catch yourself mouth breathing while scrolling on your phone or sleeping, you are actively making your face less attractive every single minute. Habit number 2, the tech neck and slump. Next, think about how we sit. You're on the bus or in a cafe. Look around. Everyone is hunched over a phone, shoulders rounded forward, neck bent down. This does 2 terrible things to your appearance. First, it physically shortens the neck muscles and creates a double chin, even if you are skinny. It pushes the fat and skin forward because the structure is collapsed. Second, it projects a vibe of low confidence. Psychologically, we perceive people with open, upright posture as more attractive and vibrant. When you slump, you are telling the world and your own body that you want to hide. This closed body language makes you invisible to friends and creates that feeling of being ignored. Habit number 3, the sugar phase. We all love a treat, but there is a biological reaction called glycation. Imagine biting into an apple and leaving it out. It turns brown and mushy. When you consume high sugar, sodas, excessive sweets, processed junk, the sugar molecules in your blood attach to proteins. The most important proteins for your beauty are collagen and elastin. These keep your face plump and young. Glycation makes these proteins stiff and malformed. The result? Sugar face. This means premature sagging, loss of glow, and inflammatory acne that just won't go away no matter what cream you use. You aren't ugly. Your collagen is just under attack. Habit number 4, the stress frown. Have you ever seen someone who just looks angry even when they aren't? This is about resting facial expression. Life is stressful. Exams, family pressure, social anxiety. When we are stressed, many of us unknowingly clench our jaws or furrow our brows. Over time, these micro tensions etch permanent lines into the face. The corners of the mouth turn down. This creates a repellent aura. People naturally move away from faces that look tense or unhappy. It's a self-fulfilling prophecy. You feel ignored, so you frown, which makes people ignore you more. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, advised that smiling is a form of charity. There is profound psychology here. A smile lifts the facial muscles, fighting gravity. Chronic frowning pulls everything down. Spiritually and physically, a tense face loses its noor. Habit number 5, neglecting the night. Finally, the most dangerous habit, poor sleep hygiene. We stay up until 3 a.m. scrolling TikTok. We think we can catch up on sleep later. But during deep sleep, your body releases human growth hormone, HGH, which repairs tissue. If you cut sleep, your body releases cortisol, the stress hormone. Cortisol breaks down collagen. It causes water retention, puffy eyes, and dark circles. You wake up looking gray and exhausted. No amount of concealer can hide a biological lack of repair. Actionable steps. So how do we fix this? We need to shock your system back to beauty. Mewing tongue posture. Right now, close your mouth. Place the tip of your tongue against the roof of your mouth just behind your front teeth. Keep it there. Breathe through your nose. Make this a habit. The chin tuck. Several times a day, pull your chin straight back. Make a double chin on purpose to align your neck. Hold for 5 seconds. This corrects tech neck. Hydrate and reduce sugar. Swap that soda for water. Sugar destroys collagen. Water builds the glow. The Sunnah smile. Consciously relax your jaw. When you catch your reflection, force a soft smile. It signals safety to your brain and beauty to the world. Sleep on your back. If possible, sleep on your back to prevent sleep wrinkles from squishing your face into a pillow for 8 hours. If your feelings about your appearance are severe, affecting your daily life, or leading to obsession, please consider talking to a licensed professional. This video shares general wellness tips, not a diagnosis. Beauty is a trust given to us. Taking care of your body isn't vanity, it's gratitude. May Allah grant us beauty in our character and our appearance and protect us from insecurity. If you want to start glowing from the inside out, you need to fix these habits today. Take care of yourself, and I'll see you in the next video.